ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ. It's the documents, USB-C to C cable, it's SIM ejector pin. Wow, finally a super phone, Galaxy F23. It's Samsung Galaxy F23. So looking very awesome. Wow. ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. It's 3.5 mm jack, USB-C type charging, speaker grill, then fingerprint scanner, volume up and down buttons, it's microphone, it's triple rear cameras with flash, it's a very smooth operation. Can you open the camera? Last right. Wow, this camera is awesome. What are all the four camera modes? Video, more, portrait. It's a fun. Oh, this is like a Snapchat. In the camera itself, it is adapted Snapchat. It's a very nice option. More? What is there? Oh, it's a pro mode, single take, night mode, food, panorama, macro, super slow motion, hyperlapse. Okay, the phone seems to be smooth operation. It's a front camera.